really makes it a professional experience.
We want to make sure that our student athletes and our community get the best.
You've got to have these lights on, and being able to be home, being at a meeting, adjusting the schedule so that you can put them on makes it a lot easier for all that's involved. There's no stress with the coaches, the athletes.
Having the ability to control all of our fields from one device is unbelievable. The ease for our stadium coordinator, for our athletic director, for any administrator who's managing the sites and the events that are going on here, to be able to turn on, turn off, to enhance with special effects, the lighting, it just makes it so much easier now that we have one product for both stadiums. It's just great. I'm a superintendent. I typically don't get in the weeds, but it's simple, it's easy for me to go on the device and actually make designs so that we can have different themes. When you can see and hear the fans during an event, when you color change the lighting scene or sequence at the time of a goal being scored or a touchdown, it's the coolest thing.
At the end of the game, when we turn them to red, our school colors, just really has a sense of pride for the community, parents, spectators, and most importantly, the players and coaches.
We thought we had the greatest product before this new system, and just to see the difference between not only the brightness but the ease on your eyes when you look up, the design, the way that it looks. It's not obtrusive like you see other products. It's sleek. They were flexible with us. They worked with us to design so that it matched our school colors. Prior to having the retrofit of our field, we had the box, the cage that really distracted from anybody looking at those lights. And it was this big monstrosity that's up at the top of the light pole. And so having the product not have or need those cages to maintain their design and the structure and really set them apart from other companies. We can manage all of the maintenance and the connections for all of the lighting from a 10-foot height just above the ground. And so for our facility staff to not have to worry about any type of boom lift or product that would require us to get way up to the tippy top of these poles is extremely beneficial for us, and we're excited about the fact that this will be a lot more efficient. To know that this product is backed by the largest lighting company in the United States is certainly a safety feature for us, knowing that we're going to have the support and the backing of that company. I mean, the product really is unbelievable. Our community is excited about the use of these fields. The lighting certainly enhances the work that we had done here, and we're excited about the fact that this will be a place of showcase for others across the country and the world.